Okay. Rene, can you tell the reader what was the incident happened in your life that you would like to share with the readers?
I was always a lazy kid. I really never liked to do work. So how that got me through schools is I barely passed with barely passing grades. Anything, I never liked to do homework. When I was little, during elementary or middle schools, I'd always hide my homework from my mother so she wouldn't find me doing them. Yeah, I'd always lie that I never did it. And that went all the way up to high school, so I never really did any work, failed mostly all my classes, and never wanted to really try.
So what made you change? What was the turning point in your life that you wanted to be part of this team?
At the end of sophomore year, beginning junior year, I got a call from actually Apollo saying that if I don't come here, there's a possible chance I won't graduate and make it for my diploma. So that kind of pushed me a little bit to come here. And when I came here, started off the same, didn't want to do any work really. Everybody was just new to me. I didn't talk to anybody. I just didn't want to try. But eventually, I got comfortable here. Everyone started to know me. People pushed me. I was always a little smart kid. I'd pay attention, just didn't want to do the work. So all the stuff that they taught me here, I've known. And I just did all the work. I've already got the principal list once, trying to go for it again. It's fun here. All the teachers just push me. That's what I really needed, just a push, because no one really talked to me back then. No one actually said that I had to do this work or what would happen. So I just got pushed a little bit and kind of kick-started the whole thing.
So sometimes we do things because of the fear of not getting somewhere or not getting anywhere.
Where I lived at was a pretty, well, where I still live at is kind of poverty stricken. Like there's poor people here and there, and there's a lot of homeless people, and just looking at them just says, I don't want to be there. I want to do something with my life.
So what are the things you should watch out when you're growing up? Can you tell the people who are watching this?
I want to tell you that you need to watch out for your temptations. There's a lot of things you want and need, and needs are different from wants. Yeah, there's sometimes where you want to party, or sometimes you want to not do this, or sometimes you want to do this. Sometimes you need to just lay it down and be like, I need to do this, and this is what I want to do. But you need to get those needs done.
Okay. What is the project you all are doing, and now you are one of the leader? So tell me about it. How did that come about?
We are a robotics team from a continuation school called Apollo. We are team 4543 called the Illuminators. And we like to go in competitions of FRC. This year we had to build a robot for the game called Steamworks. Mainly it's a steampunkish game where we would fill a boiler with fuel and get kilowatts, and it will determine how we make points, get gears to spin motors. It's a little complicated, but once you understand it, it's easy. And how I became a leader was the first year I joined here. I came here for the credits, because when you join the robotics team at Apollo, you get 15 credits per semester. So I needed those credits since I really didn't do anything. And I kind of fell in love here. All the tools just, once you get one idea when you're little and you want to do them but you couldn't do them, here you could do them. All the ideas come out from the paper and pen. Whatever idea you want, you can make come to life. So I really like to hear. What I mainly did first year was electronics. I really like it because when I was little, my favorite things were puzzles. I'd always liked the strategy and all the finding out where this goes and where this goes. I just fell in love with that same feeling, and that's how I became a leader. I've learned all the parts in a robot.
So what is the one thing you did that anyone can do to turn around their life?
To turn around their life, you need to try. That's the main thing I've never tried when I was little. I'd always mess up, I'd always procrastinate, I just didn't want to do things. But if you try, it all comes down. It comes together and you get everything done.
Who was the most influential person in your life besides your parents?
I have two people. One is the first teacher I came to Apollo to, Miss Brandt. She helped me realize what I can do, because growing up, I really felt like I couldn't do anything. My dream job growing up was just going to the military, because that's all I thought I could do. Here, I found out that I could be an electrician. I'm good at math, I'm good at science. All these things I just found out coming here. Second person is my girlfriend. She helped me do all my work, see what I can do, because she was just there for me in my time of needs and everything.
So she helps you push for the higher goals?
She made me, actually, what she has done for me, I have joined the A through G program, and yesterday, me and her both got accepted to a 4-year university.
So what's her name?
We're going to San Jose State, and her name is Rene.
Okay. How your friends react to your accomplishments and you being a leader?
My friends, see, I'm a bit of a nerd. They think I'm a bit of a nerd, and I actually see it sometimes. They are very proud of me, because from where I came from to where I am now, they see a big difference, and I know what I'm going to do in my life.
So this has made a whole positive, life-changing difference, the Apollo High?
Yes, most definitely.
How would somebody can get accepted into the Apollo High?
You could get accepted into Apollo High I don't recommend it, but if you truly mess up in school, or you don't know what you're going to do anymore, if you're missing those credits, or you don't know if you're going to graduate, just join Apollo High School. They'll give you a card, just contact them.
What do you like to do when you're not in school?
I like puzzles. Most of the time at home, I have puzzles or strategy games. When I play video games, most of the time I play games where it contains a little bit of thinking.
What do you think, Rene, about this interview and you being on the cover page of next Local Community Heroes issue?
I kind of like the idea, because I get my voice out there and tell people that if you messed up, it's not the end.